Welcome to another Simply Diagnostics video, now at the simplydiag.net community hub in bright and sunny Cheshire. Behind us we've got a 2016 Citroen C4 Picasso in blue with 4 wheels. Customer concern is that the remote key is not working. When we press the buttons, the central locking is not activating, although it does activate when you're in the car. And this vehicle should also be fitted with hands-free starting, which is not happening. So it's had a replacement body control module, or BSI, a green unit because the original is no longer available from the dealer. We spent a significant amount of time yesterday with Ian at OSCA. Big shout out to Ian, trying to get it to program and configure. The problem we have with these green units is sometimes they work and sometimes they don't, because we don't know the history of the unit. So again, customer complaint is the remote central locking's not working and the hands-free start isn't working. So we've got the replacement body module fitted. You can see we've got the car apart. We were looking using ALLDATA information on which unit gets the signal from the key and which unit says that it's a valid key, and which unit opens and closes, unlocks and unlocks the doors. So big shout out to ALLDATA for that information. We've got 2 keys for it. One's a replacement key, one's the original. We've been and if we come around this way, we ID'd both the keys using the Topdon Ultradiag and the T-darts. The T-darts unit. So basically you just put the key in like that, hit read, and it IDs the key type, the transponder and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, really awesome little bit of kit. We've got the dealer tool on it, and it's giving us a config fault, and it's also giving us a fault in identifying the mechanical electronic key or the hands-free remote control present in the reader. So B173 Delta 86. Okay, it's saying it's an intermittent fault, but it's not. It's not intermittent. The keys don't work. The angle of the dangle and the self-regulating oscillating valve is slightly out of kilter. So big shout out to Ian at OSCA yesterday. I've been on to Dan this morning from 3D Group. We've identified now that there's 3 or 4 different variants of keys available for this style of car. We've identified which one is the correct key for the car. Massive shout out. They're going to overnight as a key to it, and hopefully we'll get that sorted. So hope you found this video interesting. If you ever want to jump in on what I'm doing, if you're a subscribing member of simplydiag.net, we've got the live Zoom running, the technical support Zoom running, and you can jump in and you can watch what I'm doing, and I'll talk you through it while I'm working on real faults on real cars. Alternatively, book your ride along day and come down and experience it yourself for the day at no extra charge. We're stronger together. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.